Here's the Cuckoo Clock with the plastic housing. It has the AMS movement in it. I got it all cleaned up with a homemade cleaning solution. Turned out really nice. Remember the book said it'd take a 375 gram weight. Well, I got a 275 gram weight on it, like a typical regular one-day cuckoo clock. And it is in-beat, so I don't think it really needs 375 gram weights. And it might be a type error in the book. So typically one-day cuckoo clocks take 275 gram weights. It's just a cuckoo clock. Now when it's got music in, the music box itself takes a little bit more weight, and it's 320 grams. But the cuckoo and the time typically only take 275 grams of weight for a one-day cuckoo clock. So I need to put this movement back in the case. I got the case all cleaned up. I got the plastic all cleaned up. I got the inside of the case cleaned up. I still need to do bellow repair, and but anyway, we're getting there. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the case. I used old English oil on it. Again, it's plastic. Didn't really want to waste any expensive stuff like New Wave, but it's pretty cleaned up. The topper is nice and pretty. It does have a little loose connector here, but I think it will suffice. And of course the pendulum. But next step is put the movement back into the case and or do bellow repair first. But anyway, it needs bellow repair, so I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, and we'll get back to you after I get this thing all put together. Please hit that subscribe button. God bless.